The Steel Mace High Guard. This is a great build-up exercise to go into the 360. So what we're going to do is stand in a rack stance. You want to choke the hands up slightly for this, just as a practice. Point the top finger. That's the way the mace head is first going to move. So I'm going to point my lead finger and the mace is going to go that way. Okay. What we want to do is lift the arms up in front of the face like you're taking the baseball cap off. And what you're going to do is put the baseball cap back on. Your hands should sit above the crown of your head when you're done, and you want to breathe in as you lift. So to show you, we're going to point the top finger, we're going to lift, take the cap off, hold above the head, and back down. So let's show you this way. When you take the cap off, mace above the crown of the head, slight pause, and back down again. Then we can change hands and do it for the number of reps prescribed in your program on both sides. And like I said, this is a build up into the 360. You're going to lift, then from that position, you'd go into the rest of your 360. Have fun.